Welcome, CFO and HR leaders. I'm Rhett, a benefits consultant who helps employers lower the healthcare premiums with better benefits that retain and attract happier employees. Today, we're talking about tackling a classic tightrope walk, balancing cost and quality in employee benefits packages. Let's dive in. First up, know what your people actually use. Too many plans are like a gym membership you never swipe. You're paying, but nobody's working out. Pull your utilization reports. Separate the heroes from the zeros. And yes, cut the fluff. Quick story. Last year, I helped a mid-sized manufacturer drop 2 underused voluntary perks. That single move freed up money they reinvested in a behavioral health mental program. Morale was up, waste down, win-win. 2. Stuck in a fully insured rut? You might be leaving serious savings on the table. Let's rapid fire some alternatives. 1. Cash payment model. Employees shop and pay in cash. They pocket the savings, and renewals drop to around 6% or less a year. Think of HRA Wraps. Give first dollar coverage while capping overspend. Another one, level funding. Pay predictable monthly bills and share in the surplus. And the fourth one, reference-based pricing. Ditch bloated provider markups and pay a fair rate. I got a decline into level funding, and we managed their claims to control costs and received a surplus and a 4% renewal on claims fund only. Let's double down on high-value, low-cost perks. Not all benefits are budget busters. Here are 3 all-stars that deliver oversized return on investment. Telemedicine and virtual care. Slice your ER visits and Saturday night urgent care runs. Another one, care navigation. Steer employees to high-quality, cost-effective providers. Third one, advocacy plus. Billing ninjas who spot errors, fight denials, and negotiate prices. One employee I worked with shaved $2,300 off a surgery bill after a single call to an advocacy team. The gratitude email was priceless. Fourth, let's talk about you need to educate year-round. Even the best plan fails if employees don't get it. Ongoing jargon-free education, such as videos, lunch and learns, Slack nudges, help folks remember to use the perks you're paying for. In fact, one client saw significant non-urgent ER visits drop after a campaign was started to educate employees on telehealth and urgent care centers. That's real money back for the employee in lower copays, deductibles, and co-insurance. Plus, the employer saves significantly in claim spending. So remember, trim the unused benefits, rethink funding, invest in high-impact perks, and communicate like crazy. Balancing cost and quality isn't about slashing, it's about optimizing. Here's your homework. Pick one low-value benefit to review this week and schedule one education touchpoint for next month. Small moves give big gains. Share this episode with a fellow CFO or HR pro who could use a budget win. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and take care.